Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 7 times x minus 8 times x equals 0. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The x terms are like terms, so add their coefficients. They combine to -1 times x. -1 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by -1. Quick check, substitute 0 for x. Both sides equal 0, so the equation balances. So, x equals 0.